Okay, we finished putting the head together. We have the hooks in here for the ears on springs. So that's working good. We got this glued down so the mouth will open and close okay. So the ears are working good. Adjust this one just a little more. So when we put our sleeve on, our sample for our ear, if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. We'll fasten this down, and then you see how the ears will go up and down. So we're done with this. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. But we got our rods hooked up for our ears. Our line hooked up. Our holes are drilled here for our spring to attach to. So now we're ready to seal it and move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.